Brett, does Dylan have feet? Where are his feet? There they are. Yeah. Does he have hands? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Two hands.
He has 2 hands. Say bless you. Dylan's gonna get ya. He's trying to get ya. Dylan's trying to get ya.
Bubbles?
Bubbles if you shake your juice? Yeah.
Bubbles.
What does Dylan drink? No, don't put your hand in his mouth. What does he drink though? Hmm? Does he drink baby milk? Yes, you do. Is that funny? Is that funny? Is Brett funny? Oh, you want to put his blanket on him? Okay. Watch your juice cup. It's going to fall when you open that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Dylan. What do we tell Dylan when he's being really loud? What do you tell him? You say, Dylan, hush.
Dylan, hush.
Okay.
Nice.
That's nice for Dylan. You gonna tuck him in? There you go. There you go.
Spicy.
Yep, that's the bouncy seat. Can you give Dylan a little kiss? On his head? Okay. Oh, Brett, that's so sweet. Look, he likes that.
A blanket.
He has another blanket? You think he needs 2 blankets today? Okay.
Whoa.
What color is that blanket? No, it's not green. What color is it? Blue? Yeah, it's kind of a blue. See it?
I don't like it. No.
There.
Ow.
Watch his legs. Oh yeah, don't cover that part.
No.
So good, Brett.
Yeah. Okay.
You don't want to let him swing?
Whoa. Rocket. Whoa.
You think we should go put some clothes on y'all instead of your pajamas? You gonna go put on some jeans? Can you say jeans? Dylan's night night. Can you say jeans? No. Okay. Oh my goodness. Bye bye.